Hi, welcome all of you. This is a text processor software. Today I will going to demonstrate the compress and decompress the files. I have the test file with me. Simply load it. Compress the file. You can choose password or left blank. So in this time I am going to left blank. Simply compress the files. Choose my output directory. Write files. Start the process. The file is compressed successfully. You can see here. Now move to another folder. Decompress it. Choose decompress. Start the process. Decompress successfully. You can see the file is decompressed. Hope this is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.